Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're creating a cozy and flavorful chai-spiced mocha fusion that combines rich chocolate, bold espresso, and warm chai spices into one amazing cafe-style drink. This comforting recipe is creamy, sweet, slightly spicy, and perfect for cool mornings or relaxing evenings at home. If you love mochas and chai lattes, this delicious fusion drink is the best of both worlds. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso, or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 chai tea bag, 1 tablespoon sugar, or honey, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of nutmeg, whipped cream, cocoa powder, or cinnamon for topping directions. Begin by heating the milk in a small saucepan, medium heat. Add the chai tea bag and allow it to steep for about 5 minutes to infuse the milk with warm spiced flavor. Remove the tea bag and stir in the chocolate syrup, sugar or honey, cinnamon, and nutmeg until fully combined. Brew a fresh shot of espresso or prepare strong coffee. Pour the espresso into a large mug, then slowly add the warm chai chocolate milk mixture. Stir gently until smooth and creamy. Top the drink with whipped cream and dust with cocoa powder or cinnamon for an extra cozy finish. Serve immediately while hot and enjoy the rich blend of chocolate, espresso, and comforting chai spices. This chai-spiced mocha fusion is smooth, warming, and perfect for coffee lovers wanting something unique and flavorful. Thank you so much for watching today's chai-spiced mocha fusion recipe video. I hope you enjoyed making this warm and cozy coffee drink with me. The combination of chocolate, espresso, and chai spices creates such a comforting homemade cafe experience. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee creations, cozy drinks, and sweet recipe ideas. I'll see you next time for another delicious coffee adventure. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.